On June 11, 2025, Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, achieved a landmark defense export milestone when Indonesia inked a $10 billion contract for 48 KAAN fifth-generation multirole fighter jets. Finalized during Indo-Defense 2025 in Jakarta, this deal marks the largest ever defense export by Turkey and signals a strategic pivot in the Indo-Pacific region. Indonesia's move away from traditional Western suppliers underscores its ambition to gain technological independence while enhancing geopolitical leverage. Indonesia's acquisition of the KAAN fighters carries profound implications amid rising maritime tensions in the South China Sea and Indian Ocean. As China expands its naval footprint, Jakarta's access to the stealth and advanced sensor suite of the KAAN offers a significant boost to its airspace surveillance, area denial, and deterrence capabilities. The KAAN, initially known as TFX, is a homegrown Turkish fifth-generation fighter jet designed to supersede Turkey's aging F-16 fleet and rival advanced jets such as the US F-35 and China's J-20. Equipped with stealth features, twin engines, and a modular design, the KAAN boasts a top speed of Mach 1.8, a combat radius of 600 nautical miles, and sophisticated sensor fusion, including AESA radar and infrared tracking. Its multi-role functionality supports air superiority and strike missions, with future-ready technologies like AI integration and drone teaming already in development. The jet took flight for the first time in February 2024 and plans to transition from American F-110 engines to Turkish-made powerplants by 2030. The KAAN program gained momentum following Turkey's removal from the US F-35 program in 2019, with TAI spearheading development alongside early support from BAE Systems and Rolls-Royce. After its second test flight in May 2024, 6 prototypes are underway, and Turkey aims to equip its air force with 20 KAAN jets by 2028. For Indonesia, the export version will be co-produced domestically, integrating local industry capabilities through a technology-sharing framework. Indonesia's decision represents a bold shift in its military aviation strategy. Compared to prior deals, like the $8.1 billion Rafale contract with France or the cancelled $1.14 billion Russian Su-35 purchase, the KAAN offers superior stealth, drone compatibility, and adaptable avionics. It also circumvents export restrictions and political complications tied to Western jets like the F-35. At roughly $208 million per unit, KAAN presents a more cost-effective solution compared to the F-35's lifecycle cost exceeding $400 million per aircraft. Strategically, the deal deepens Ankara-Jakarta ties, opening pathways for future joint defense projects beyond aviation. Turkey's flexible arms export policy, free from U.S. conditionalities, enhances its standing in a multipolar arms market, contrasting with the restrictive approaches of other suppliers. Financially, the contract surpasses Indonesia's entire 2024 defense budget of about $9 billion. Nevertheless, technology transfers and local manufacturing commitments help mitigate economic impacts while aligning with Indonesia's industrial ambitions. The deal builds on earlier Turkish-Indonesian cooperation in drone and missile development, reinforcing Indonesia's role as a politically non-aligned actor capable of diversifying its strategic partnerships. For Turkey, this milestone strengthens its defense industry's upward trajectory. Turkish defense exports grew 106% over 4 years through 2024, positioning Turkey 11th worldwide, per SIPRI. The KAAN contract is projected to boost TAI's revenues to $2.4 billion annually by 2029. This agreement also lays groundwork for future KAAN exports to countries including Saudi Arabia, considering 100 jets, along with Azerbaijan, Qatar, and Malaysia. Under Defense Industry President Haluk Gorgan, Turkey is expanding its defense diplomacy footprint, with KAAN emerging as a key commercial and geopolitical asset. Delivering 48 jets within 10 years demands rapid industrial scaling, engine production advancement, and logistical precision. This pressure may accelerate domestic engine development by TR Motor and reduce foreign reliance, setting benchmarks for Turkey's next-generation fighter ambitions. Indonesia's adoption could serve as a model for other nations exploring alternatives to the F-35 or Chinese platforms. More than a commercial success, the KAAN deal reshapes the global defense landscape. Türkiye joins an elite group of fifth-generation fighter exporters, while Indonesia asserts itself as a forward-looking defense innovator. Against the backdrop of shifting global alliances, KAAN embodies strategic independence, cutting-edge technology, and the rise of new military power centers. This partnership promises to redefine arms procurement strategies throughout the global south and solidify Türkiye's aerospace future.